Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how we can use AI to translate any content, text, script, caption, or Instagram post into 100 plus languages instantly. So let's just get started. For that, you can open up a translation AI tool. You can go to your browser and access your AI tool, for example, ChatGPT, Google AI, etc. So let's use ChatGPT for this video. So go to chatgpt.com and here we can just go over and use these options. So here we'll copy the content that we want to translate and paste it into the AI chat. So in this box right here, you can paste the content that you would like to translate. So for example, I would like to translate this content right here of fixing the internet windows, slow internet windows. So we're just gonna go ahead and select it. And once you select it, once you copy it, you can press Ctrl+C and go to the all content translation piece right here. And from here, or look out for the new chat. So you can look out for new chat and just go over and start up a new chat. So once you paste up your content that you want to translate, you need to tell the AI the language that you want. So if you want to translate it into any other language, right after you type in your content, what you can do is you can just go over and type in translating into Hindi, Spanish, or any other language, or you can type in translate into 100 plus languages in a list format. So we're going to type in translate into 100 plus language in script format or list format. So type in, let's go ahead and do it in list format and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you will be finding a result given. It will output the full translated versions instantly. So there we go. So here we are finding it for Spanish. We can see this one for French here, for German, Hindi, and many other languages up to 100 since we asked the AI to put out the result for 100. So we're gonna get the result for the 100 AI available here. So you can just go over and do so. And that's it. You can just go over and copy them into subtitles or into captions and post it. And that's how we can translate our content into over 100 languages using AI in just a few minutes. So you can just go over and follow up this method, like this video, and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.